Welcome to HB RV Lifestyle Shorts. I'm the Honey Badger, and this is the Arctic Fox 811 truck camper. One thing I love about Arctic Fox is they always put extra insulation in the cap area because they know that's where you're going to sleep. They also put actual dual pane windows to give you better insulation. Now, one thing I will say about the way this truck camper is set up is it has an onboard generator, solar, and to me, they are the best manufacturer of truck campers in the industry. Now, when you get in here, you have a slide out with a booth dinette, 12 volt electric refrigerator, air conditioner, queen bed with closets on each side, plenty of storage, TV, fantastic fan, everything you need really to be comfortable sleeping, and you're going to stay warm or cool because of how well insulated that cap is. Good kitchen counter space for a smaller, I'm going to call it always a smaller RV because truck campers are not that big, even with a slide out. 3-burner stove, oven, microwave, pantry. Whoops, and I tripped because I'm an idiot. And then over here you got your wet bath. Now generally the way this is equipped, they are going to price point right around $47,000 to $54,000, depending on how you want it equipped. Let's see. Pretty much nothing else really to talk about, except for see you next time.